Keeping your yard looking its best can be time-consuming when you're using the wrong equipment. Choosing the right outdoor power tools can make every landscaping job faster, easier, and more efficient. Welcome to WholeToolBox. In this video, we'll show you the top outdoor power tools you need this summer and how to choose the right equipment for your yard work. Outdoor power tools are designed to handle demanding tasks like mowing, trimming, pruning, edging, and clearing heavy debris. However, performance depends heavily on selecting the right tool and maintaining it properly. Over time, wear and tear, clogged filters, dull cutting edges, battery degradation, fuel issues, or lack of maintenance can reduce efficiency and lead to breakdowns. Let's break down the essential outdoor power tools every homeowner should consider this summer. A lawn mower is the foundation of lawn care, helping maintain even, healthy grass. A string trimmer is used for precision work in tight spaces where mowers cannot reach. Hedge trimmers are ideal for shaping shrubs and keeping hedges neat and uniform. Chainsaws are powerful tools for cutting branches, trimming trees, and handling heavier yard tasks safely when used correctly. Leaf blowers help clear grass clippings, leaves, and debris quickly. When choosing outdoor power tools, consider your yard size, frequency of use, power source, electric, battery, or gas, runtime, cutting capacity, weight, and ease of maintenance. The right selection ensures better performance, less strain, and longer tool life. Regular maintenance is just as important as choosing the right tool. Cleaning after use, sharpening blades, checking air filters, and storing equipment properly can significantly extend the lifespan of your tools and keep them running efficiently throughout the season. If your tools are underperforming or you're looking to upgrade your setup, the right parts and accessories make a big difference in reliability and performance. For quality outdoor power tools, replacement parts, and expert support, find the link in the description or visit WholeToolBox.com. Thanks for watching.